Hey, it is Chef Evelyn here, and I just wanted to do this quick video to share with you some really important dates. So if you missed my last video, I was sharing all about why I created Gourmet Grad School, but I also told you that enrollment for the class of 2024 for Gourmet Grad School is now open. So all applications have to be completed and submitted by Wednesday, January the 24th by 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, right? So you don't have to necessarily have your interview and your assessment scheduled by then, but your application needs to be in by then. Once you apply, there is an open house on Thursday, January the 25th. So if you apply and you want to come to the open house because you just have some additional questions that aren't answered on the informational page, then that is what the open house is for. There's no it's not like a webinar or anything like that. It really is a very casual, I'll be sharing some more details about the program, answering any questions, just a chance for us to kind of meet face to face, and help you decipher through any last minute decision making. Orientation for the class of 2024 is on Wednesday, January the 31st. Okay. So, that week after the 24th, right, interviews will be being conducted and enrollment will be finalized, but no applications will be considered after that time. And then we will do a kickoff group call for all of the ladies to meet and to just kind of go over your onboarding and welcoming you to the program and helping you navigate all of the spaces that we have inside of the academy. So that's on January 31st. And then the official kickoff for the program is February 1st, right? So, and then enrollment won't open again until 2025. So wanted to just come on, share those dates. I'll have all the details down below in the description box. It's also available on the Gourmet Grad School Instagram account. And yeah, I just wanted to make sure that you knew that. And hopefully I will see your application and see you inside the class of 2024. Peace.